Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's TechByNazom. So today I'm doing a short review for this particular router or MiFi. You can call it anything. It looks very fantastic as you can see from the video. So this is the case. This is the front of the case. This is the side of the case. And let's open the case and see what is inside. So this is the router itself. It's an MTN router which is mostly being found in some Western African countries and maybe in South Africa. So this particular product, the headquarters is in South Africa. So let's keep it aside and see what is inside the box. So let's unbox it. So first of all, it comes with the manual. As you can see, it comes with the manual. Let's open the manual. So this is everything that is inside the manual. Definitely it comes with two manuals, as you can see. As you can see. So let's keep the manual aside. So this is the other manual. So this one tells you how to subscribe because this particular product comes with a 30 gig. So once you buy the MTN card and put it inside it, and you can go to the MTN office, any branch around your area or vicinity, you can get the 30 gig. You just buy the SIM card and slot and put it inside. So remember, some SIM card do expire. So remember, this particular product do come with the SIM card. Can you see the SIM card inside? It do come with the MTN SIM card. So that's all. Let's keep this particular one aside. So this is the product itself. This is the product. It feels very fantastic to hold. I'm not gonna lie, it feels very good to hold in the hand. It feels very good. It feels very so. It comes with some few buttons. This is the only two buttons. It comes with the two buttons. Can you see the button? This is the power button, and this is the WPS button. So this is the first. This is the MTN logo written boldly in front of it, and can you see the side? It has a texture to it, and this color is white. It comes with a white color, and this under the product, the MiFi, it comes with a Type-C charging port. It looks very fantastic. You can charge it with Type-C. So let's remember, it doesn't support a Type-C to Type-C. I think so. It only supports the Type-A to Type-C. So let's open the product and show you. So if you want to open the product, you can see it has four sides. This is the first side, so you can see. So on the other side, it comes with the other side. Let's click on it and open it. Can you see? Just click on it, open it. If you open it, you are going to see what is inside. So this is what is inside. This is the battery. It comes with a removable battery. You can buy the battery. It's a removable battery. This is a lithium battery. So this is the SIM card port, and this is the memory card port. Can you see? This is the SIM card. This is the SIM card port. This is memory card port. So remember, this particular port is a universal MiFi. You can put any SIM card you want, especially if the SIM card is working in some Western African country. You can put MTN Glo, any SIM card that works mostly in maybe in Nigeria, some Western African country. And remember, this is a SIM card. This is a memory card port. If you have memory card, you can put memory card inside. So this is there. So inside it comes with the IMEI for the SIM cards. So can you see, this is a 4G MiFi. This is not the 5G version, this is the 4G version. The MTN is branded inside. As you can see, it looks very beautiful. So let's return the battery inside. Let's return the battery. So let's close the back. If you want to close the back, remember, just lock it and just so let me show you. If you want to on the router, so see, this is the power button as I showed you. This is the logo of the power button. Let's on it. Let's click on. Once you on it, you're going to see three dots, green, and the red. That means it's on. Then you can connect it to any phone you want. So that means you are going to see the password. You can see the password. So this is the manual. So you can find the password within the case or anywhere. I've forgotten where the password is, so but you can find the password there, definitely. This is a very nice product. I love it. So I've been using it for quite a while now, for almost 1 month. So that means this particular router can connect maybe up to 5 or 6 people, depending on the distance is very good. The distance is very good. So I would recommend the product if you'd like to buy it. So I bought mine from Jumia. You can even buy it from certain online store, depending on your country, but you cannot get it in any country. So you can get it in a few countries around West Africa, but you can find your own version of this particular product in your country, definitely. So this is the manual. This is the N87 usual manual. So you can use the manual and see what everything side. So this is it's a overview. So I'm not going to talk definitely everything that you can see that you are going to get from the router, but you can buy yours and check it out for yourself. It's a very nice product. It have a long distance. The distance is very long. So thank you very much for watching. So this is everything that comes. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe for more video like this. So once you keep on subscribing and give this particular video a like, so I would love to do more. Thank you very much. So if you want me to do more in-depth review about this particular product, I will do more. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe again. See you. And if you have any question about this particular product, you can ask me in the comment section below. Bye.